Hold your fire before you start trading away your inventory. We all get that itch to clear out the safe and make room for the new hotness. But let's be real. Some platforms aren't just range toys. They are appreciating assets. I have put together a list of 8 firearms you need to keep locked down in 2025, whether you have been stacking brass for decades or you just bought your first holster. Selling these specific models is a move you are going to regret. Let's get into it. Number 8. Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 10mm. We are kicking this off with some serious American horsepower. The M&P 2.0 in 10mm auto is what happens when you take a modern duty pistol and give it the heart of a dragster. This isn't a snappy little subcompact. It is a full-size fighting handgun with a 5.6-inch barrel. That extra length is crucial for burning all that powder and getting full velocity out of the 10mm cartridge. Unloaded, it is sitting at 31.4 ounces. That is the sweet spot. It is heavy enough to soak up the recoil of a bear load, but light enough that it won't drag your belt down on a hike. The real selling point here is the ergonomics. Smith & Wesson nailed the grip texture on the 2.0. It feels like gripping 60 grit sandpaper, which is exactly what you want when your palms get sweaty. You get the optional thumb safety, and the slide is cut for optics right out of the box. The tritium night sights are tall enough to co-witness with your red dot, which is a massive plus for a woods gun. Dimensionally, you are looking at 8.6 inches long. With a 15-round standard capacity, this thing is a heavy hitter for 2-legged or 4-legged predators. Coming in around $750, the value proposition is insane. As more people wake up to the versatility of the 10mm, solid, reliable platforms like this are going to become the gold standard. Don't let this one go. Number 7. Colt 1911. We are shifting gears from polymer and Cerakote to cold, hard steel. The Colt 1911 government model. Specifically, the Series 70 configuration. This is the purist's choice. No firing pin block to mess up that legendary trigger pull. It is just a clean, crisp single-action break that breaks like a glass rod. This gun is chambered in God's caliber, the 45 ACP. It has over 100 years of stopping power on its resume. You get the national match barrel for accuracy that will honestly probably outshoot most of us. Aesthetically, it is timeless. You have the spurred hammer, the classic staked front sight, and the grip safety and thumb safety combo that lets you carry cocked and locked with total confidence. It feeds from a single stack magazine holding 8 rounds. It is slim, it is flat, and it points like a laser beam. John Moses Browning figured out the perfect grip angle over a century ago, and we are still chasing it today. But owning a Colt isn't just about the mechanics. It is about the heritage. This is a piece of Americana. As manufacturing gets cheaper and more plastic enters the market. A forged steel Colt with the rampant pony on the slide is an investment that will never go to zero. Number 6. Glock 17. You knew this was coming. The Glock 17. The pistol that made everyone hate plastic, until they realized it worked better than everything else. This 9mm service pistol defined the modern era. It is boringly reliable, and that is the highest compliment I can give a firearm. The safe action trigger system gives you that consistent 5.5 to 6 pound pull every single time. You have 17 rounds in the flush fit magazine. And it weighs almost nothing. 22 ounces unloaded. That is lighter than almost any other full-size duty gun on the planet. Dimensions are standard, about 8 inches long. But the durability is where the Glock 17 earns its keep. I have seen range rentals with over 100,000 rounds through them. Original springs, original barrel, still running. The polymer frame soaks up recoil impulse, and it simply does not rust. You can find these all day for around $400. But keep an eye on the older generations. Gen 1 and Gen 2 models are starting to become genuine collector items. The Glock 17 is the Honda Civic of the gun world. It might not be flashy, but it will get you home every time. Number 5. SIG Sauer P229. If you want a tank that fits in your waistband, you want the SIG Sauer P229 M11A1. This is old-school SIG excellence. We are talking about a metal frame, An alloy lower mated to a stainless steel slide with that bomb-proof nitron coating. It feels substantial in the hand. When you rack the slide, it feels like it's running on ball bearings. The P229 was built to survive hell. It passed the military's 240-hour salt spray test, and it is rated for 20,000 rounds without a stoppage. It runs a double-action, single-action trigger system. That long, heavy first pull is your safety. The follow-up shots in single action are short and crisp. It sports a 3.9-inch barrel. That keeps the overall length down to just over 7 inches. But because it is metal, it weighs nearly 30 ounces. That weight eats up the recoil of snappy 9mm defensive loads. You are getting 15 rounds in the flush magazine. Coming in at $1,000, it is not cheap. But this is a legacy firearm. As the world moves to striker-fired plastic, these hammer-fired metal guns are becoming harder to find and more expensive to produce. Do not sell this one. Number 4. Mossberg 590. Let's talk about the king of the pump actions. The Mossberg 590. This isn't your granddad's bird gun. This is a combat shotgun with a pedigree that commands respect. This specific model is rocking the Patriot Brown Cerakote. It looks great, but more importantly, it keeps the rust off your receiver when you are out in the elements. The furniture is set up for work. You have a shortened length of pull. That is critical if you are shooting with a plate carrier or heavy winter gear. Maintenance is a breeze with the clean-out magazine tube. But the reason we trust our lives to the 590 is the internals. Dual extractors, steel-to-steel lockup, twin action bars that prevent binding when you run the pump hard, and that anti-jam elevator. If you are a lefty, or you just like efficiency, the tang-mounted safety is the best in the business. Right there on top where your thumb naturally lands. The 18.5-inch barrel is cylinder bore, ready for buckshot or slugs. You get a high-visibility fiber optic up front. Plus, the receiver is drilled and tapped for an optic if you want to run a red dot. With a 6+1 capacity, it brings plenty of firepower to the fight. It is the only shotgun to pass the mil-spec 3443 torture test. That means the US government tried to break it, and they couldn't. At a street price around $680, this is a lot of gun for the money. The 590 is a workhorse that will outlast you. Number 3. SIG Sauer SP2022. The biggest sleeper on the market, the SIG Sauer SP2022. People call this the SIG Pro. It lives in the shadow of the P226 and the P320, but it is quietly one of the best pistols SIG ever made. It is a polymer-framed, hammer-fired, double-action, single-action gun. It gives you that classic SIG reliability at half the price. You get a standard Picatinny rail for your weapon light. And the ergonomics are fantastic. It points naturally. The trigger is way better than it has any right to be at this price point. The double action is smooth. The single action reset is tactile. You get SIG Light night sights included. The slide is stainless steel with that durable nitron finish. With a 3.9-inch barrel, it is perfectly sized for a do-it-all handgun. It weighs 29 ounces, so it balances perfectly. You can find these for $450, maybe even less if you hunt around. That is an absurd value for a duty-grade pistol from a top-tier manufacturer, since everyone is obsessed with the P365 and the P320 right now. The SP2022 is flying under the radar, but that won't last forever. Grab one, shoot it, and hold on to it. Number 2, Kar 98K. We are going way back for number 2, the Mauser. Kar 98K. If you like bolt actions, you have to respect the grandfather of the modern rifle. This was the standard infantry rifle for Germany in World War II. It fires the 8mm Mauser cartridge, or 7.92 by 57mm if you want to get technical. It is a full power round that hits like a freight train. The 23.6-inch barrel gives you serious reach, but the heart of this beast is the action. The Mauser controlled round feed is legendary. That massive claw extractor grabs the casing and does not let go until you tell it to. It uses a 3-lug locking system that is incredibly strong. The 2-stage military trigger is surprisingly good once you learn the break. You are feeding it with 5-round stripper clips, which is just a satisfying mechanical experience. prices are all over the place, but a decent shooter grade is hovering around $1,000 now. Matching numbers? Way more. They aren't making any more of these. Every year there are fewer of them on the market. This is a piece of history that you can take to the range. It is an absolute must-hold. Number 1. Beretta 92. And taking the top spot is the Italian Stallion, the Beretta 92, or as most of us know it, the M9. This was the sidearm of the U.S. military for 30 years, and it has one of the most distinctive profiles in history. That open-top slide isn't just for looks. It basically eliminates stovepipe jams because there is no ejection port for the brass to get caught in. Like the SIG, this is a double-action, single-action hammer-fired gun. It has an aluminum alloy frame that gives it a solid 33-ounce weight. It is a big gun, but it shoots soft. The locking block design keeps the barrel in line with the target for incredible accuracy. You have 15 + 1 rounds of 9mm on tap. The 4.9-inch barrel squeezes every bit of velocity out of your ammo. It is iconic. From action movies to the sandbox in the Middle East, the Beretta 92 has seen it all. You can pick these up for around $680. And honestly, the machining quality on these is art. As the military phases them out completely, the surplus market is going to dry up, and the value on pristine commercial models is going to climb. Keep it oiled, keep it safe. So there it is. 8 firearms that deserve a permanent spot in your rotation for 2025. Whether it is for the history, the mechanical perfection, or just the fact that they are built like tanks. These are assets you want to keep in the family. Values go up and down, but quality is permanent. Before you trade in that old reliable for the flavor of the month, check your safe and make sure you aren't letting a gem slip through your fingers. Do you own any of the guns on this list, or did you sell one and regret it? Let me know down in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more range reviews. Train hard, stay safe, and I will see you on the firing line.